Hi friends, I'm your Rani Subramanian from Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. Welcome back to Kesaria family. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also I'm going to share with you the business information, how the manufacturers are busy in this festival season by providing customer service. So watch this video till the end. Subscribe to the channel for the regular updates and for the clothing business to start up to have a new collections 24/7. The numbers are on the screen where you can directly tie up and contact Kesaria manufacturers by placing an order sitting from your home. So subscribe to the channel. There's a bell icon over there. You will get regular updates. As I said in this video, as a topic, I said why manufacturers are busy in this festival season. If I talk about the festival season, the festival season starts from July, and how the customers are pre-booking orders, how we got, and I'm at present the warehouse where I'm going to show you what all the varieties the customers are sitting from home and they can purchase. But I can suggest you can also come and purchase, and you can also do a direct live purchase for your clothing business. You can tie up, but I'm going to show you now how the customers is ordered and how we are providing the service. So let's go. So friends, as I said, I'm going to show you how manufacturers are busy in this live session and the activities, how the customers is ordered pre-booking orders. Here you can see all varieties of collections, the printed catalog lace border sarees customer has purchased over here. And here you can see lot of printed sarees of only Poonam varieties. These are all segregated of one of the customer who are purchased from the South, Andhra and Karnataka. These are the collections, and these collections are purchased from a customer Tamil Nadu. And here is also collections of Poonam sarees, and these are all uniformic sarees a customer has purchased. If I talk about the designer fancy border sarees, here is also a fancy designer printed lace border sarees and designer sarees. And next, the customer has ordered the fully Tamil Nadu Kanjivaram varieties of wedding collections and purchase of the festival season. The manufacturers giving you all a pre-order. These are all segregated and it's going to billing actually. And this is all Poonam sarees of white based. Some customers need only particular bulk order in the same design and the same color. So this is all, and these are all printed lace border sarees of this collection. These all segregated for one of the customer handloom collection, stonework saree, designer party wear sarees, all wedding collections, all varieties of collections. So, and I'm going to show you how this collections goes to a billing, how the services are we are providing from a manufacturer. All it is a big experience, I can say. And this is a next floor, I can say. Here this all no I'm going to show you how the customers orders has been purchased. So these are all silk varieties. These are all the collections of silk varieties. These are all box collections customer has purchased over here. And this is all designer sarees, and the ready-made blouses customer has purchased, rapier silk purchased, and designer boutique varieties of lace border saree, designer and stonework, sequence work sarees. And here all cotton sarees of handwork sarees. And designer, I'm going to show you a boutique lehengas. Lehengas, one of the customer has purchased of the designer bridal and the bridal, all varieties of collections. And here you can see a trolley over here. This is a trolley. All the collections, once the customer has placed an order, they will align on this trolley. And here you can see a square cut of the floor. The floor has been cut in a square way pattern, and at the top of the first floor you can see on the ground floor the collections has been purchased from the customer. Now it's going to packing. The customers, as per the bill wise and the customers quantity and the collection wise, they will cross check and they pack the collections, and we provide the entire pan India sea services and cargo services. So friends, I can only tell you, this is the live activity of this festival season, how much busy with the customers purchasing, and you can also purchase, I can say. That's why I told in starting the video, this video will be very helpful to you. Festival season is a very huge business, and the clothing business, there is a good profitable business, I can say. So friends, You have seen, right? This is what the manufacturers are busy by providing the services for the regular online orders, everyone. Because Surat is, people from south, if I talk about, Surat takes by train 2 days. If I talk about the airport, we have to do flight booking advancedly, but you can also visit by airport. We reach just 30 minutes to visit Millennium Textile Building 1. Kesaria manufactures under one roof sari, lehenga, kurti, bottom dupattas, boutique varieties, fancy varieties, party wear designer saris, all collections you can buy women apparels at factory price, I can say. For clothing industry, you can also tie up. And as I showed you how the customers are pre-booking orders, and we are providely reaching up to your place with safe and secure international plus worldwide 30 plus countries all over India. You can do COD orders where we are providing you starts minimum 20 to 25,000 you can purchase, and unlimited you can purchase. If you're out of India, 50k of Indian currency money you can start, you can do, you can pre-booking orders you can do, and you can also tie up and start your clothing business, especially the retailers. Are you looking for new collections? Hurry up to visit Kesaria Manufactures. Next video, I'll come up with many more business information. Still then, if you didn't subscribe the channel for the regular updates, subscribe the channel for the regular updates. You'll get the notifications. So next video, I'll come up with many more new information. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.